There's like really bad wind in Indio, California, as you can see. Look at that. Oh my God, I can't see. Air is going through my eyes. Escúchale. Ulises, pues ayuda. Man, my iPhone's gonna like pop away. You can see like the dust flying around. It's like 3 p.m. Look at the tree. Oh my God, look at the tree. It fell. What? It feels like, it seems like it's foggy. Oh my God, it's 3 p.m. Oh my God, rocks are hitting me. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm eating freaking dirt. It's really bad. Can't believe the tree fell.
Me neither. Hey, Donald.
Imagine if I was playing there.